Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video we'll be doing a healthy weekend meal prep so that you can have lots of time because you've got all your meals put together and stay healthy at the same time. So let's get started on today's video. Who doesn't like something sweet that you can have on the weekend and also be able to freeze them and store them in the refrigerator during the week? These chocolate cherry protein bars will be perfect. They're homemade, so you know every single ingredient in them. So let's get started on these chocolate cherry protein bars. One thing that's really nice to have during the week or on the weekends is to have something that you can grab and go that's kind of sweet but healthy. So we're going to be making some chocolate cherry no-bake protein bars. So let's just get started on this super quick and easy recipe. Now these are all really easy ingredients to get together. So I'm putting some oatmeal in. I will have the recipe on the screen for you to see. So there's the rolled oats. And now I have a half a cup of chocolate protein powder and a half a cup of almond butter. Third of a cup of real maple syrup, cocoa, chia seeds, vanilla, and dried cherries, and a little pinch of salt. Now we're just gonna mix all this together. These bars went together really fast. I'm just gonna put them in the fridge to get cool, but they will definitely solve any chocolate cravings that you may have. Now what I want to show you how to do is a really fun method of meal prepping, and all you need is a large cookie sheet. Put some parchment paper on it, and then you're going to put all kinds of combinations that can roast in the oven, and then you can combine them in a whole bunch of different ways so that you don't have to make a lot of decisions and you can just make really quick meals. So this method I think you'll find really fun and useful, especially on the weekend. Now here I'm cutting up a whole combination of veggies. I got zucchini and peppers, onions, broccoli, anyway, a whole nice mixture. Use whatever you have. And then I'm going to be cutting up potato. Now I have some chicken and tofu also, and I'm going to put that on my pan first because they will take a little bit longer to cook. I'll cook them a little bit and then I'll go ahead and add all the veggies. Okay, got the oven at 400 and got the chicken ready, tofu and the potatoes. They're gonna go in the oven at 400. Ooh, gotta see how these are. Super chocolatey. So while everything's cooking, I really feel like I should try these. So I'm gonna do that. They just look so good. They're delicious, very chocolatey. And if you love chocolate, these will be perfect. All right, it's been 15 minutes. So I went ahead and put a little avocado oil and garlic salt and some more garlic powder. And so now we're gonna go ahead and dump the veggies right on here. Just cook a little bit till they're crisp tender. And then everything should be done. On this weekend, you can do some meal prepping by first making some of these lemon blueberry muffins. I know you're gonna enjoy them. They smell absolutely delicious, so let's get started. Now let's put together some wonderful lemon blueberry muffins. These are Alaska blueberries, but you can use the wild blueberries because they will work perfect in this recipe. So first I'm going to have my bowl and put together all the wet ingredients. So right here I have an egg and 2 egg whites. Let's put all the wet ingredients together first. I have 3/4 cup of yogurt. I'm using soy yogurt by Silk. 1/4 cup of avocado oil. 1/3 cup of soy milk. Teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to stir all this together. I mixed all the dry ingredients together. I have soft wheat pastry flour. And anyway, I will put all the ingredients on this screen, and at the end of the video I'll see if I can have a recipe card for you guys, if that helps. Now let's just mix all this together. I zested 1 lemon, so here's that. I'm going to sprinkle that in. And I just so happen to have some lemon extract. I put a teaspoon of vanilla, but I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of lemon also. It smells delicious. Now go ahead and add the blueberries. You just want to fold this in so I don't have a pure blue muffin. My blueberries are frozen, so it may take a little bit longer to bake. Usually they would bake for 20 minutes, but it may take a little longer. All right, these are ready to put in the muffin pans and bake. All right, ready to go in the oven. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Hope that these foods will be ones that you can make and enjoy. So till next time, happy cooking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next video.